In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Google Chrome. If a website looks odd, won't load the newest content, or keeps showing an old layout, your browser cache is often the reason. The cache is a temporary storage where Chrome saves images and files so pages load faster next time. Clearing it doesn't delete your actual files. It just removes those stored copies so Chrome can fetch fresh versions. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're in the correct window if you have multiple browsers installed. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main menu. From here, choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's control panel where you can manage everything from appearance to privacy. In the Settings page, find and click Privacy and Security. This section groups the tools that control how Chrome handles your data and what it keeps locally on your device. Now, click Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up will appear with options that determine what gets cleared. You'll usually see a time range at the top, such as last hour, last 24 hours, or all time. Pick the range that matches your situation. If one site is acting up and you just visited it, a shorter range can be enough. If you've had long-running issues, all time is more thorough. Before you proceed, make sure cached images and files is checked. That's the key item for refreshing how sites load. You may also see options like browsing history and cookies and other site data. For this task, you don't have to select those. Clearing cookies can sign you out of sites and reset preferences, so only include them if you understand the impact. Keeping the focus on cached images and files is usually the safest and most effective first step. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Depending on how much has accumulated and the time range you chose, this might take a few seconds. Once it's done, revisit the website that was giving you trouble. The first load may be slightly slower than usual, which is normal because Chrome is rebuilding the cache with fresh files. After that, performance typically improves and display issues often disappear. That's it. You've cleared your cache in Google Chrome. This is a quick maintenance step you can repeat anytime a page won't update or looks broken. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Chrome back to working smoothly.